Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about deleting your Facebook account on the Facebook app for Android and iOS devices. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app and select your profile icon on the top right. And then you want to go down and select Settings and Privacy. Underneath Settings and Privacy, select the Settings button. And then under Account Center, select See More in Account Center. Underneath Account Settings, you want to select where it says Personal Details. And then you want to select Account Ownership and Control. Select the Deactivation or Deletion option. And then select your account from this list, and then you just would proceed with the deletion options as you see fit, and it would walk you through step by step on the screen. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.